In this video, I'm going to show you how to do automatic shortcut key to convert numbers to text and Microsoft Word. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into which. So as you can see in this text, we have a couple of numbers, as you can see right there. If you want to convert them to Word, all you have to do is to select them, then hit Ctrl F9. And from here, just type in equal at the left side. As you can see right now, then go to the right side. Type in /, as you can see, or /, and after that, type in asterisk. Then type in CardText. So now when you type in CardText, just go ahead, hit F9 again. And it should convert to Word. As you can see right now, if I hit F9, it will change to text, as you can see. So this was how to do automatic shortcut key to convert numbers to checks in Microsoft Word. As always, thank you for watching.